In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a bill in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through creating the bill payment and then printing a check with a stub that clearly shows which bills were paid. By the end, you'll know exactly which options to choose so your check and stub print cleanly and your records stay accurate. First, we'll create the bill payment. Start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard and open the new menu. Choose Pay Bills. This brings up a list of open bills. Select the vendor you're paying, then check the boxes next to the specific bill or bills you want to include in this payment. Take a moment to confirm the amounts due and any credits that might automatically apply so the total is correct. Set the payment method to check. This is important because it tells QuickBooks you intend to print a physical check. Make sure you select Print Later. That option queues this payment so it appears in your print check screen, which is where you'll print both the check and the stub. When everything looks right, click Save. You've now recorded the bill payment and staged it for printing. Next, let's print the check with the bill payment stub. Open the new menu again and choose Print Checks. At the top, pick the correct bank account. The print queue is organized by bank account, so choosing the right one ensures you see the check you just created. In the list, select the bill payment check you saved a moment ago. Click Preview and Print to review how the check and stub will look. If you're using voucher checks that print one per page, the top portion is the check you'll sign, and the bottom portion is the stub. That stub lists the bills that were paid with this check, which is great for both your records and for the vendor's reference. Load your voucher check stock into the printer according to your printer's guidelines, making sure it's oriented correctly. For the cleanest results, use actual check stock and keep your printer scale set to 100%. So the fields line up. When you're ready, click Print. After printing, verify that the check amount, payee, and the stub details all match what you selected. That's it. You created the bill payment, queued it to print later, and printed a check with a clear stub showing exactly what was paid. If you keep the stub with your records and send the check to the vendor, you'll both have a clear, itemized trail.